aerospace is soaring in Canada, which enjoys the lowest cost structure among G7 countries. Global companies can also hire from the world's most educated workforce, which brings us to Boeing Canada Winnipeg and its innovative composite parts manufacturing that's reducing aircraft weight, fuel usage, and maintenance time. It's a company in Canada that is enabling the future of flight. We spoke with Amy May, General Manager at Boeing Canada Winnipeg.
So Boeing's relationship with Canada has been enduring for 100 years now. So in 1919, our founder, William Boeing, flew the first airmail delivery from Vancouver to Seattle, and that started the first international airmail service and started the relationship between Boeing and Canada. And since then, we've had an unparalleled track record and partnership, and including in meeting our industrial participation commitments in country. Annually, we provide a $4 billion economic impact to Canada. Our company's largest international supplier network is here at over 560 suppliers. Boeing's partnership with Winnipeg has been mutually beneficial. There's an incredible talent pool here. There are institutions and universities that help us develop the future workforce pipeline to train our engineers and our technical manufacturing workforce. We're able to provide high-value goods and services to the Boeing company and our end customers. In this sector, in the Winnipeg sector, the composites technology in particular continues to grow. So we have industry partnerships and consortiums that we've really been able to benefit from by being here.
With Canada one of the top investment destinations in the world, global companies are taking advantage of opportunities to invest. Doug McCartney explains why companies such as Boeing are beneficial to Canada's economy.
Boeing Winnipeg's success story is very much a reflection of the community's support and recognition of the value of that asset. So a company like Boeing, when they're looking to invest in a jurisdiction, looks at three factors. One, can they access the talent that's needed to support the business that they want to establish here? Two, can they access the key decision makers so that as they move product into the marketplace, they're assisted in that effort? And three, can they access the local investment to ensure that there's connectivity between the suppliers of the products that they need and the markets that they're looking to support?
Join us next time on another episode of Global Lenses presented by Invest in Canada.